I'm Joanne and I work at Shore Marine, and we just got this new product in. It's called Prawn haulers and Prawn traps. We're going to make this trap go into this bag. And this is a really great thing about them. You can pack them anywhere on your boat, and you can bring them out anytime and then pack them back up. But what I'm going to do is show you how to get it into this bag. So basically what we do, the very first thing we do is we pull the doors off. Very easy to do. Pull it up. And now it's nice and flat. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the strap on, and I always like to kind of make sure that the buckle is up. Yes. We want to put it in about the middle of the trap. Put that on. Just like so. Make sure that hook's over there because it gets caught up in the trap here. So what we do is we yank this. We want it to go as far as it can go, just like so. Then what we want to do is we want to flip it upside down, or up the other way, just like so. Just like this. And what I do is put my knee on here, get this guy here, bring it around, and we give it a twist, and voila. Then what we do is we grab our strap, we wrap it around, you don't have to hook it very tight on anything right here. And there you go. Next thing we do, and all done.